Welcome to the series called Art Wearing Art, Pichwai Art by Moortantra, where art is a metaphor for people who make it possible and wear it with all their love for Indian craft. When art is created and interpreted by artists, and when they get a chance to wear it, it becomes to feel alive. In this journey of continuing Indian craft, not just through jewelry but any art form, Pichwai has a very special place because 10 years back when we were getting married, that's how the journey of Moortantra started. Pichwai inspired necklace was the first necklace that I made for our Mehendi function.
In the simplest sense, Pichwai means devotion, and the beginning of our marriage felt that sanctity and purity of something deeply soulful.
It had 3 beautiful poses of Radha Krishna, the story that I hold very close to my heart. And since these 10 years, I have been meaning to design this collection, which is all heart and inspired by everything Pichwai. It's a way of bringing Pichwai into circulation beyond cloth and wall. It is a way to bring it in everyday life through our jewelry. Pichwai is a centuries-old craft and it has traveled through miniature paintings as well. But through this collection, we want it to be worn, to be spoken about more. And because it's going to be a conversation starter, we want the stories to travel far and wide. We believe that art should not be innovated. It should be preserved as is. And through Pichwai, what we want to do is keep it in continuity, keep it active so that you keep on wearing it, keep on talking about it, and present Indian craft as is. So welcome to this journey of continuing Indian craft through jewelry. Pichwai by Moortantra is now live.